Welcome to Car Legacy, your go-to place for everything automotive. If you're a car enthusiast looking for the latest news, in-depth reviews, and all things related to cars, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Now let's dive into today's topic, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has been around for decades, providing drivers with a reliable, stylish, and comfortable ride. With the 2025 model, Chevrolet continues to push the boundaries of what we can expect from a mid-size sedan, combining modern technology, sleek design, and a driving experience that's hard to beat. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Malibu sports a refreshed exterior that still holds on to its signature Chevy style. With a wider grille, sleeker headlights, and an overall more aggressive stance, this car makes a bold statement on the road. The sculpted lines along the body add a sense of movement, even when the car is at a standstill. And the updated rear design brings it all together, making the Malibu feel fresh and contemporary. Inside, the 2025 Malibu is all about comfort and technology. The cabin has been redesigned with premium materials, offering a more refined feel. The seats are supportive and spacious, making long drives a breeze. The technology is also a big upgrade. The centerpiece of the cabin is a new 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is quicker, more responsive, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Chevrolet has also integrated a new digital instrument cluster, giving drivers easy access to critical vehicle information right in front of them. Sound is also greatly enhanced by technology that makes what was once repeatedly an obsolete procedure. Performance-wise, the 2025 Malibu doesn't disappoint. It continues to offer a variety of engine options, starting with the efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that balances power and fuel efficiency. This engine provides a smooth and confident drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. For those looking for a bit more performance, there's an optional 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers a more dynamic experience, perfect for those who enjoy a spirited drive. Chevrolet also continues to focus on safety in the 2025 Malibu. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. These technologies work together to provide a safer and more reassuring driving experience, making the Malibu an excellent choice for families and commuters alike. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 Malibu offers a smooth and controlled ride. Its handling is precise, with a suspension system that strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising down the highway, the Malibu feels composed and steady. To wrap things up, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu continues the car's legacy of offering a great balance of style, technology, and performance. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a family sedan with a little extra flair,